I like to twist them together in opposite directions. This will keep them from coming apart. I'm going to put a little solder on it, make sure it's a tight joint, and then shrink wrap over the top of it to keep any moisture out. I'll put a little bead of solder on here. Not a lot, it's not going to hold a lot of current. Now I'm going to put shrink wrap. Same thing. Put them facing each other, twist them. Bead of solder and shrink wrap. On the terminal side, I like to double back on the wire, thicken it up a little bit. Put it in the terminal. Lock it in place. Then I'll put a little solder in there. The trick is on. Let it heat. First joint, second joint, inline fuse, and terminal connection. Okay, number 2 is done. Got the positive and extended leads extended. Got an inline fuse. Terminal on the positive, the negative terminal. I'll do it at the same time that I do the other one. And I'll use only one terminal for both of them, since negative is a common. That'll be it. Stand by. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now.